Have you ever watched a speck of dust in a sunbeam and wondered if it would eventually visit every microscopic corner of a room? Welcome to Ergodic Theory, the mathematical study of wandering. At its heart, ergodicity asks whether a system will explore all possible states available to it over time. This concept elegantly bridges the microscopic chaos of billions of atoms with the predictable macroscopic laws of thermodynamics. Phase space and microstates. To track this, physicists use a mathematical construct called phase space. Imagine a multi-dimensional arena where a single point, a microstate, represents the exact position and momentum of every particle at a specific instant. As a gas evolves, it traces an incredibly complex trajectory through this space. Statistical mechanics aims to extract macroscopic properties, like temperature, from this hyperdimensional web. Time averages versus space averages. Ludwig Boltzmann proposed the ergodic hypothesis to solve this complexity. To measure the average pressure of a gas, you could track a single system over infinite time, finding the time average. Alternatively, you could take an infinite ensemble of identical systems at one instant to find the space average. Boltzmann posited a profound equality. For these highly complex systems, the time average and space average eventually become exactly equal on their constant energy surface. Birkhoff's ergodic theorem. The mathematical formalization of this is Birkhoff's ergodic theorem of 1931. Because a one-dimensional trajectory cannot mathematically touch every exact point in a multidimensional space, it gets arbitrarily close to all of them. Birkhoff proved that the integral of a function over infinite time equals its integral over the entire allowed energy surface, providing the solid bedrock for statistical physics. Sinai billiards. To visualize this, imagine Sinai billiards, a frictionless square table with a fixed circular obstacle in the middle. Yaakov Sinai proved in 1970 that a ball bouncing here is strictly ergodic. The convex obstacle causes trajectories to diverge exponentially. Over infinite time, a single ball will evenly cover the entire table, perfectly illustrating the behavior of an ergodic gas. Mixing versus ergodicity. Ergodicity is just the first step. An even stronger property is mixing. Drop blue ink into water. An ergodic system guarantees the ink visits every part, but it might remain a clustered string. A mixing system stretches and folds the ink so violently that the water becomes uniform pale blue. Mixing guarantees the system rapidly forgets its initial conditions and reaches true thermodynamic equilibrium. The Poincare recurrence theorem. A paradoxical consequence of this math is the Poincare recurrence theorem. It states that an isolated system will eventually return arbitrarily close to its initial configuration. That dispersed ink might spontaneously unmix into a perfect drop. Why do we not see this? Because the recurrence time for macroscopic systems vastly exceeds the current age of the universe. The math guarantees a return, but the timescale makes it invisible. Applications and ergodicity breaking. Ergodic theory also transforms how we understand financial markets and modern physics. In economics, assuming a market is ergodic causes disastrous risk assessments, a phenomenon known as ergodicity breaking. In quantum physics, systems like spin glasses get trapped in localized subregions of phase space, breaking ergodicity completely. Understanding when ergodicity breaks is now as crucial as understanding when it holds. Conclusion. In summary, ergodic theory beautifully justifies the foundations of statistical mechanics, explaining how unimaginable microscopic chaos yields predictable macroscopic laws. Thank you for exploring the strict mathematical laws of wandering. References include Ergodic Theory and Dynamical Systems by Mark Pollicott, Statistical Mechanics by R.K. Pothria, and The Ergodic Theory of Chaos and Random Perturbations by Yuri Kiefer.